What's the meaning of cookie jar? Cookie jar. Cookie jar.
Cookie jar. Cookie jar. Cookie jar is a slang term used to describe a dishonest practice of taking money or resources from a common pool for personal use, while trying to conceal the act. It refers to the behavior of sneaking cookies out of a cookie jar while nobody is watching. The phrase can be applied to various contexts, including corporate finances, politics, or personal relationships. This behavior often results in a lack of trust and negative consequences for all parties involved.